Yeah, you got some work and I subscribe, but you know, and I'm telling Mr. Post to a message clip which confirms that it looks like he has left Team Shirimani and also Tlangaka Ngala's studio. Lishesha NR, Lishesha Ole with much look and guitar. Shirimani also released the clip, so clip it in that Tlanga Kulatela, I'm just wondering why. As well, clip Mr. Post. So it is the clip kusuka kona langisa conspiracy ya Sho Madjozi na Penny ayikuta tika December lewa ntsake ngopfu amafita ngilango beef sharp This video is done in a rushed way because under the logo you miss any clip. Namuhla reason being that nilava kubuya after the album leti ni nga mi hlamusela hi tona to humini ku ni ta kota ku ti reviewer kumbexani ni vula leswi ni nga ta va and react to them. So I woke up in the morning, I hlangana na statement. Mayengani actually addressing his fans. Aku loko kube awulava album yo maiti 27 shilo kahle kahle we awu mseketeri wa mina because awusitwisisi leswi mina kubyela kusona. I dictate you follow. That's the kind of relationship leya anga yivekisa swona ku leswi mina swi vulaka it goes. So n'wina as fan base xa n'wina I ku yingisa mi landzela. Why am I saying this? That's the summary that I got because at the first place ute mina I need to win. I took several decisions. Mi kami insanda mi fan base ya mina mara na arkon na imi. I mentioned kuloko ambana na rangani na Joe, you said something as fan base loko alanda hlawusikiza mi te hlawusikiza I xihlangi I mentioned timhaka to anga twi n'wina I mentioned timhaka to loko ku ri album a wu lava yi huma hi ti 15 famba yi yingisela hi ti 15 u tshika ku cema u tlhela a vula swin'wanyani swi nga va very crucial a ku a ni mi xaveleli after all a ni tekangi xibamu ni mi veka nhlokweni ku mi yingisela album ya mina and that the last part yi ni tsundzuxa ku Mayengani once called his fan base angula ya vutivi mademoni a ku mi nga miyeti mademoni hi vito ra mina a kha vula vaseketeri va yena loko va n'wi lava le a Giyani Stadium ka XMA 14 or 15 I forgot ku ya ring. So is it called for to actually insult fan base ya wena to actually please your ego or to actually prove a point? Mane mkometa ku wena ku sibara yikwatelisa Sho Madjozi. Sho Madjozi announced the date of the album. Mayengani the same day after 10 minutes Mayengani released the art cover. Sho Madjozi released a cover ya album yena just 30 minutes after Ben Mayengani a release a teaser Swara na Lembe. Cool. Sho Madjozi announces that she's gonna have this thing, an EP launch. Ben Mayengani announces the date of the release of the album. The day after Sho Madjozi was trending, was circulated around his friends. I think that Brata Benuma cards, obvious are people who he has on WhatsApp. What DJ Mfundisi has him obviously because RMC even on his engagement, the likes of Woma Singh, obviously they have connections because music connections, and a lot of people who are in the game were invited to be part of that lodge. So lodge Satolo, and the videos were circulating. Even on Twitter they were circulating, the live videos on Instagram were there. So I think Sufiki Swi Baba Swara because in night Sho Madjozi na been kurete brand. In night Sho Madjozi I list to do Shabeni to do a song. I will say album you with no credit. For his Beni I to that extent Jakusunga Twali no yen, Otu Femulo guys Varalam, Ulotola Atimela. And it's alleged to Ben Mayengani Ofiki and you get a Sho Madjozi an attitude fill up. Then she decided to distance herself. When she distanced herself, anga credit Swara, anga even magana yona, even on Instagram. Mayengani tried this time to congratulate the album yake na Sho Madjozi kuba to mili I've played vital roles ka these two projects. The only person I'm like in the Sho Madjozi didn't even go near that. She didn't even like or even react to that thing. Mind you, Ben Mayengani lo Sho Madjozi is some praise ka radio go Beni. Now she has an opportunity doing a project laying on a fusion Xitsonga. What's up? Something is up again. Something is up. As much as you would like to actually say go the release date has nothing to do with Sho Madjozi, but then conspiracically look we the events later on timeline, everything things are back to one conclusion. Swara is targeting Sho Madjozi and he wants to make sure he blocks a shine because Sho Madjozi the reason why she went to Dr. Thomas Chauke and she released an album Xitsonga. It's because look like the event. So kuna the lockdown you see where market is perform. So what do you do when you're at that stage? It means now you have to capitalize on the local market for local relevance, not the local gigs. So that's one, just give her time. Maybe say fully back to her market. So Xitsonga we endlela the current market na cheap and mind you, she's working with everyone except her best delayed work. It's very embarrassing. So look subscriber ita hlangana loko se tume album leti atimbirhi ta tingisela ithlela hi xava ithlela hi streama ithlela hi loko ri swin'wana swa phewa hi vula ka laya. So sweswiwani I'm confidently waiting for both of them. Sure na n'wina mi leswona, but then the one thing lexi ni nga ta xi condemn it's a statement ya Ben Mayengani. Sure, Mishre wrote to his fans. You just can't tell your fans so finally and wakhomela ngexibhamu Swara marketing ita hlupha. So now Dr. Shirimani said to release good news vandag.